Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video, let me show you two different type of hair extensions. This is Itip hair extensions. You can see the Itip is very small, and this hair extensions need to install with a bead. And this is a flat tip hair extensions, keratin hair extensions, and this is more keratin. It can be melt and installed. And this type of keratin hair extensions can be customized. Like if you want smaller keratin, we can also do that. If you want smaller or bigger, we can do according to your size. And usually like this one is 0.7 by 0.7. We can do it smaller or bigger. And this one is 1 gram per tip. If you want like 0.8, we can also do that. And also the keratin is, the color is actually based on the color of the hair. You can see for the brown color, we will make it like brown tip, and for blonde, we will make it blonde. So this is customizable according to the color of the hair. So this is different type of hair extensions, and the way of install is also different. So it's popular. Both are popular. It depends on like how which type of method you use for install, which is good for. Both are great. So if you want Itip hair extensions or keratin tip hair extensions, you can order with Joice Hair. If you have any question regarding this hair extensions, you can feel free to contact us and comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.